Hi YouTube, this is MOP Talks with Trev. I'm Trev, and this is Modern Organic Philosophy. Thanks for tuning in. Today, I'd like to show you one part of what I do and what I think is important, and that is water filtration. Now, what I do is I take the water from the tap, fill it up in a few jugs, pour it in the top, and it trickles down into good water. Cost a couple $100, probably $300 for the unit. You replace the filter probably every 6 months. I get the big ones and they last a year. That's $90. So it pays for itself if you're buying, bottled water and stuff. Because what's coming out of the sink is not healthy. It has, you'll be okay if you do the lymphatic breathing and the lymphatic drainage, which I could do an example of. People need to know how to do that. You take care of your endocrine system and your lymphatic system, which is breathing in the belly and then up in the chest, then letting out the belly and then letting out the chest, and you'll instantly, your throat will clear. You got to clear out that lymphatic system constantly, and you won't be you won't be going to the doctor. For men, I would take a zinc, take some iodine. Everyone's low on iodine. And drink a green smoothie every day, and don't use the stupid microwave. Don't ever use that piece of shit unless you really have. Every once in a while, your body will clean itself. The lymphatic system will drain out all the toxins, but you're gonna want to filter your water out because it has harsh minerals. Too much, iron is not good. There's all kinds of shit coming out of the water, so you don't want that. Delicious, better than anything ever. You could put any kind of water in there and it'll filter it out. You got to quit using regular toothpaste. You got to get some good toothpaste. Natural alkalizing. And it doesn't say on the bottle you can't eat it. You get regular toothpaste crust and stuff, and it tells you it's toxic. So how the hell are you gonna, you gotta floss. While I'm at it, get you some organic dental floss picks. They'll try to sell you dental floss picks with fluoride on it. You don't want the fluoride. Filter the fluoride out, get you some non-fluoride toothpaste. When you brush your teeth, you use the filtered water. When you wash the dog, it's filtered water. When you give the dog water, it's filtered water. It's not expensive. It's very cheap. You build 1 day's worth of work takes care of your water for a year. So you're gonna have to do that. Don't be mad at me whenever you're dumb if you're not listening to me. So it takes a lot of work. It's a lot of effort, but it's all worth it, and it's great, and everything is awesome. Mop out.